Wait for it, wait for it. I snuck up on this secret bar. I don't know if it's a secret bar or if it's just the fact that I didn't understand the signage. But I want you to see it the same way I saw it. And you can then make fun of me and saying, of course it's obvious, but I don't think it is. So let's just go together.
I guess that's salad. That's salad. I don't know. Could be. Oh, it's a lot of meat. It's like a specialty deli. And that's burgers there. I kind of missed this last time, I think. What's the name of that? Turkey and the Wolf. Classic double smash burger, $17. Fried bologna sandwich, $17. Smash burger sounds good, doesn't it? Frozen margarita, $18. Go upstairs and get it for $5. I hope they didn't hear me. Police company, it's a bar. For real? For real? Is it a speakeasy? just want to see what's in here.
Well, it's a bar, and then you also have a menu right here. Check it out.
Okay.
That's all our specialty cocktails. We also have a full bar, and we have pizza.
Okay, thank you.
For your family and friends. Your nephews,
Yeah, okay. Well, I damn sure have never thought to go in there, so I think they need to let people understand what's going on. It's a bar, yeah. It's on.
You going in?
No, I already went in. It's nice. It's beautiful.
Come on, let's go.
Here's the menu. Let me put this down somewhere where we can look at it. $7-ounce High Life is $6. They got some wine for $18, $16. I don't know. It's a typical bar. It's a beautiful bar, as you could see. But I don't understand. It's tucked up in here in the food court. And I've been in this food court now since it's remodeled, I guess 8 times maybe. And I have never seen that entrance. Or maybe it's brand spanking new. I don't know. I had to look back at my video. Somebody do that for me. Busy. Pizza by the slice went from, they did have a $6.50, now it's $8.50. I don't blame them. Rent was due. But their pizza slices go from $8.50 to $10. Good looking pizza. Big old fat pizza. And then they got skinny pizza. They fold that over when they hand it to you. This is decent looking pizza. And then this place has chicken wings so damn big they look more like turkey wings. 3 jumbo tenders for $15. When they serve it, they hide it in a box. That's why I haven't been able to film it. They hide it from me. They know I'm coming in here to look at it, but I can't get to it. And it's not a crowd at night, or else I would try harder. Find somebody, see what he's eating. Yeah, he's eating the chicken sandwich. The chicken sandwich looks really, really good. The Sando, boneless breast, $16 for that sandwich. I recommend the sandwich just by looking at it. Man, it looks good. It looks like old Southern fried chicken on a bun. I'm partial to the Southern part. Spicy ramen, $21. Ivan's Garage, $16. Spicy pickles, $6. And then we have this place, looks like they can fry. Is this Mexican? I don't know. Oh, yes, it is Mexican. Chips and salsa, $7. Guacamole, $14. Birria nachos, $17. 3 street tacos, carne asada. Carne asada, $18. Yeah, that's a great food court. This is right off the casino floor. You already know that I really think that the one upstairs is the best food court in Vegas. Add it to this one, and you can say Venetian for sure has the very best food choices for not for sit down, for yeah, you can sit down, but for the category of casual. That's the word I was looking for, casual, but nobody helped me. Nobody said a word.
I should be embarrassed because I have walked by this bar many times and did not think it was a real bar. After my findings, I looked it up and found this, the bar Close Company at the Venetian Resort, Las Vegas, located inside the Via Via Food Hall, officially opened on June 27th, 2025. Announcements and posts from the Venetian's official Facebook page confirm it was officially open as of June 27, 2025, with a post celebrating its opening that day. An Instagram post from the bar, or related, noted it was officially opening this Friday, June 27th, at 4 p.m., 2 a.m., likely referring to initial hours. Current hours are 4 o'clock p.m., 12 a.m. Earlier reports from late 2024, e.g., Eater Vegas in October 2024, indicated it was planned for the Via Via Food Hall opening in mid-2025, and the food hall itself debuted around June 9th, 2025, with close company following shortly after. The Venetian's site lists it under recently opened venues, and it's described as a speakeasy-style cocktail bar from the Death Co team.
Tra le luci, il riflesso d'oro, un sogno si stende senza un decoro. Cammino su acque, ma non sono vere. Le gondole cantano storie sincere. Oh Venezia viva! La fortuna si infila, qui il tempo si perde tra il falso e il reale. Oh Venezia viva, un amore fatale, ponti sospesi su fiumi di niente. Ma il cuore ci crede, si sente presente. Un palazzo di carte, un cielo dipinto e il vento di sabbia che soffia distinto. Le mani si stringono, il dado rotola, il destino danza, la notte consola. Oh Venezia viva! Qui il tempo si perde tra il falso e il reale. Oh Venezia viva, un amore fatale. Le colonne raccontano di un mondo lontano, dove il sogno si compra con un gesto profano. Ma il cuore si perde tra i giochi e le luci, un eco di laguna che qui mi seduce.